Do you want to know how to install VirtualBox Guest Additions on Windows 11 or 10? Here we have shown you the complete steps to installing the virtualization product. The VirtualBox Guest Additions consist of device drivers and system applications that ship with your copy or version of VirtualBox that optimize the operating system for better performance and usability. This means without the drivers, the virtual machine is likely to take a performance hit, and many advanced features such as the ability to change the screen resolution, control transparency, mouse support, etc. won't be available or work correctly. After you must have successfully installed Windows in a VirtualBox VM, you must install the Guest Additions package for better usability and performance. Let's get started. First, launch VirtualBox on your computer. Select the Start submenu. Next, choose the Normal Start option. Sign in to your Windows 11 or 10 account. Click the Devices menu. Select the Insert Guest Additions CD image option. Next, open this PC in the virtual machine. Under the Devices and Drive section, double-click to open the VirtualBox Guest Additions disk. Next, double-click the VBox Windows Additions.exe file to launch the installer. Click the Next button. Click the Next button again. Click the Install button. Select the Reboot Now option. Click the Finish button. The virtual drivers will now install, and after the restart, Windows can run generally in a virtual environment. You can follow the exact step-by-step instructions above to update the guest additions on your Windows 11 or 10 machine when a new version of VirtualBox is released with more recent drivers. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.